You're watching How Leap. Let's fix Facebook video lag. First, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which is more stable. Next, update the Facebook app. Go to your App Store, search for Facebook, and tap Update. Restart your phone after updating, then clear the app's cache on Android. Go to Settings, Apps, Facebook, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. On iPhone, offload the app via Settings, General, iPhone Storage, tap Facebook, then Offload app and reinstall. Adjust video quality settings. In the Facebook app, go to Settings and Privacy, Settings, Media, and select Videos. Choose a lower playback quality like SD only. Also, close other apps running in the background to free up memory. Finally, check if Facebook's servers are having issues on a site like Down Detector. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.